कहा जाता है कि जो रील्स बनाता है ना वो मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करता है। तो
मैं तेरी रानी तू मेरे हुकुम को इक्का हमल हुकुम को इक्का ना
You are doing? Aren't you working in the kitchen? She said, I was working the whole day. Everyone disrespects her work a lot, that you are not working. But I can say that she manages everything. So she's a leader for me because she's all-rounder. She don't know that how to shoot an Instagram reel or not, but just for the sake of me, she used to shoot it for me. So I can say that my mom. I have 1.2 million followers on Moj.
so how do you manage to make reels and study? How do you
Very bad at singing. Your ears might burst if I do sing. So I prefer that I won't sing. Yeah, but I
singer?
know.
Who is your favorite?
Arjit Singh.
अरिजीत सिंह।
For a singer, actress I can say Alia Bhatt.
अभी हमारे साथ प्राची यादव है जो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स बनाती है और बहुत ही अच्छा रील्स चलता है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्यार मिलता है लोगों का। और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जो रील्स बनाता है ना वो मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करता है। तो प्राची यादव बहुत अच्छा अंग्रेज़ी बोलती है और पढ़ाई भी कर रही है और रील्स भी बना रही है और अच्छा खासा रिस्पॉन्स भी मिल रहा है वहाँ से। थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं, अंग्रेज़ी में बात करने की प्रयास करते हैं। हेलो,
Hi,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I'm Prachi.
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
I'm from Bihar,
यू आर फ्रॉम बिहार। इन बिहार वेयर?
Hajipur.
Hajipur. Okay. So, in which class are you studying?
I'm studying in class 8.
Class 8. Okay. CBSE board or Bihar board?
CBSC.
CBSE board. Okay. So, how long have you been making a reels?
I think it's quite 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how many followers on Instagram?
178K.
178K.
Yeah. Up.
Okay. So, another platform like Moj or YouTube. On Moj, how many followers?
I have 1.2 million followers on Moj.
1.2 million followers on Moj.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you manage to make reels and study? How do you manage?
I don't know, it just goes on like this. I study also is to make reels and I don't know how do I manage that. It just goes on like that. I don't know how.
Okay. So what's your hobby?
I can say my hobbies are dancing for sure and using mobile a lot.
Okay, using mobile a lot.
Yeah, I do play a lot of games.
Okay. So who is your favorite dancer?
Lisa from Blackpink.
Okay. So do you listen music or not?
Yeah, I do. I do listen.
Okay. Which types of music do you listen?
English and Korean.
English and Korean. So do you know how to sing a song, English song?
I'm very bad at singing. Your ears might burst if I do sing. So I prefer that I won't sing. Yeah, but I know English songs.
You know English song. So only one lines you have to sing here. Only one lines. Any song.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? I cannot sing. I sing really bad, please.
Okay. Okay. Who is your favorite singer?
Stray Kids. It's a Korean group.
Okay. It's a Korean
Group.
group. Okay. In India, in Bollywood singer, who is your favorite?
Arjit Singh.
Arjit Singh.
For a singer, actress I can say Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone.
Okay. Okay. So, who is your idol?
My ideal is my mom because she's good at singing and I guess she can manage everything. That's why I just same like her, I do manage everything. So I can say my idol is my mom.
Okay. Who is your favorite leader?
I'll say my mom because she's a leader because she can manage a family, her own family. Everyone can say like, when it comes to a housewife, she can work really hard. She used to work really hard. But our family says, what do you do? Like even I can say about my father, he used to work at his shop. And whenever I used to come home, he sees my mom sleeping. He say, what you are doing? Aren't you working in the kitchen? She said, I was working the whole day. Everyone disrespects her work a lot, that you are not working. But I can say that she manages everything. So she's a leader for me because she's all-rounder. She don't know that how to shoot an Instagram reel or not, but just for the sake of me, she used to shoot it for me. So I can say that my mom is a leader.
Okay. Okay. So, what's your ambition?
I don't know what I'll do in future. and right now I'm in class 8.
Yeah.
But I don't know that what I'm gonna do in future because it's not in my hand. Whatever I'll be interested in, I'll do it in future.
But I think that you must have a goal, you must have an ambition, what you want to do in your life, what you want to be in your life.
I want to go in Korean industry. I want to act as an actress. But I know if I will able to do that, then I'll surely do.
So what do you think about Hajipur? Because you are living in Hajipur, what do you think about it?
I really like wherever I live. I like that country. I like that country. I'm Indian. I love my India. I'm Hajipur. I love my Hajipur.
You love Hajipur? Okay. In which school? What is your school name?
San Georgia Girls School.
Girls school only. Okay. So whenever you are in the school, do you speak English or speak in Hindi?
Let me be honest. When the teachers are there, I used to speak in English. But when they're not, Hindi goes on.
Okay. Okay. So what is your favorite food?
Maggie. I can eat it whole day.
Maggie.
Yes.
But you know, it is unhealthy food. It is, I think, very harmful for our body if you eat every day.
I'll say that you are the 54th person who's telling me this, but I don't listen to anyone and I continue to eat Maggie. I love it.
You love it.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your favorite Indian food like?
Everything.
Everything.
My most favorite is Golgappa.
Golgappa.
Yes.
Okay. So how many times do you eat in once a day in Golgappa?
Thrice a day. Really. When I go to school, then in I guess in afternoon, then when I used to go to I guess buy vegetables with my mom, then I used to eat it in evening, and sometimes when I used to go to buy some cakes with my father, then I used to have at night also. So I can say thrice a day.
Okay. So who is your favorite? Who is your best friend?
Prakriti Shivastav. She is my best friend. I love her so much.
Okay. She is studying in the same school.
Yes, she is in my class. She is the same school.
Okay. So can you say something about your best friend?
She is very understanding. She supports me a lot. She is very cute. Very cute. I love her so much. She is very nice.
Okay. So are you making a reels on Instagram?
I don't care that what people say about it. I don't care that if they are stopping me from making reels or not. It's my job. I know that I can manage both of the things. So I don't just listen to them what they are trying to say. I just ignore them and just focus on what I'm doing.
Okay. So you don't think what the people think about you?
Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care.
You know what you have to do in a day or in your life. You know very well.
My parents are supporting me. What else do I need? That's why I don't focus that what the society and the others say.
Okay. Thank you very much and nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.